Look at that. New York City in the snow. People spend a lot of time looking elsewhere when what you need is right in front of you. And the holidays are one of those moments in time when we can remember to appreciate what's right in front of us. For instance, somebody asked a Buddhist monk, what is the greatest teaching of the Buddha? And the answer was cake. Because just eat the cake, okay? Just eat the cake. Don't worry about anything else. Just eat the cake. And that's what the holidays are about to me. So you know how we always do a list of fabulous things that I'm going to do for my decoration for the theme of the dinner? Usually it's like sylvan woods, blood red, you know, dark forest, things like that. Well, this year it's 2 words. What does that mean? It means eat the cake, be with your friends, go outside, have a drink, meet in the diner. And we're going to give you the most beautiful episode for the holiday supper of your dreams, or that a child might dream of, full of childlike wonder. What does it mean to me? It just means being present, which happens to be the same word as present. Totally different meaning. So what we would love you guys to do, send us a 30-second video of your feelings of childlike wonder, whatever that means to you. If I described it badly, you describe it for yourself. It's those moments of complete presence when we're just enjoying our friends. You forget about what happens in the future, what happened right over there. Is this guy okay? You're just thinking, I can't wait to see my friend smile. So you send me a video. We're going to show you the rules. Try to send it in. Actually, you have to send it in before December 1. And we will include as many as we can in our episode to share with the world, other people in other cultures, other countries, feelings of, simply put, childlike wonder. What does that mean to you? Tell me. I'm fascinated to know. What will we be making? You'll have to wait and find out. But it'll be very fitting for the theme of childlike wonder. Holidays are coming. Childlike wonder. What does that mean to you? Tell me. I'm fascinated to know.